Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Jupyter Notebook with Anaconda, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Anaconda website in your preferred web browser. Look for the download section on the home page. Select the version of Anaconda that matches your operating system. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to initiate the installation process. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard. Select whether to install just me or all users, then click Next. Review the license agreement and accept the terms to proceed. Choose the installation location or stick with the default settings, then click Next. On the Advanced Installation Options page, decide whether to add Anaconda to your path environment variable. It is recommended to keep the default options for a smoother installation. Click Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to finish, which may take a few minutes. Once completed, click Next and then Finish to exit the installer. Next, open the Anaconda Navigator from your Applications or Start menu. Wait for the Navigator to load completely. In the main window, look for the Jupyter Notebook icon. Click on the icon to launch Jupyter Notebook. Your default web browser should open automatically, displaying the Jupyter dashboard. Here, you can create a new notebook by clicking on the New button. Select Python 3 or any other available kernel to start your first notebook. You are now ready to write and execute code in Jupyter Notebook. Explore the various features and functionalities that Jupyter has to offer. Once you've finished your work, save your notebook by clicking on File and selecting Save and Checkpoint. Close the browser tab when you're done, and return to the Anaconda Navigator if needed. This concludes the installation process for Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.